Florida home sales are shifting, but what's really going on behind these numbers? Spring is here, and it usually means a hotter real estate market. But March's data from Florida Realtors tells a more complicated story. Whether you're buying, selling, or just watching the market, here's what you need to know. Let's start with closed sales. Single-family home sales were down year over year for the second straight month, but only by 1.3%. That's actually a big improvement from February's drop of over 7%. And here's the real eye-opener: pending sales, which tell us how many homes went under contract. Those were up slightly compared to last year. That's the first positive shift in a while. So why the shift? One word: rates. In March, we saw the 30-year fixed mortgage rates hover around 6.75%. That was a drop from January and February when rates were above 7. Even a small drop in rates can unlock demand, especially from buyers who have been sitting on the sidelines. But that relief didn't last. Rates are already back near 7, which could put the brakes on. On the condo and townhouse side, the story's a bit rougher. Closed sales were down nearly 10% year over year, and pending sales fell down even more, nearly 11%. That tells us demand in multifamily segment is still soft, likely due to the affordability concerns and insurance costs playing a bigger role. We're also seeing inventory rise, but that's not because of a new flood of listings. Homes are simply taking longer to sell. The average single-family home took 47 days to go under contract in March. That's up from 40 days last year, but not totally out of line with what we saw in the late 2010s. For condos and townhomes, though, it's more dramatic: 62 days on the market versus 43 a year ago. That's significant, and it's something to watch closely. So what does this mean for prices? Prices. We see some softening. The median sale price for single-family homes in Florida dropped by 2% to $412,500. For condos and townhouses, the drop was steeper, down 4.5% to $315,000. This could be early signs of price corrections in certain markets, especially if inventory keeps up. Bottom line, we're in a shifting market. I said it once, I'll say it again: shifting market. Buyers might find more negotiating power right now, and sellers need to be strategic with pricing and presentation. So if you're thinking about buying before rates rise again, or wondering whether now is the right time to sell, send me a message and we'll talk. I'm your local realtor, Hernandez, bringing you insights on everything Miami real estate. Follow for tips on how to buy, sell, and invest.